Ever stared at your insurance card and wondered, what does the word deductible even mean? You are definitely not alone.
I'm Maya, and today we are making your deductible simple.
Your deductible is the amount you pay out of your own pocket for covered healthcare each year before your insurance starts to share the cost. Think of it like a yearly threshold. Until you have paid that amount, you are covering most of the cost yourself. Let's say your plan has a $1,500 deductible. You visit an in-network doctor. Your plan has negotiated a set price for that visit. Let's say it's $200. Because you have not met your deductible yet, you pay the full $200. That $200 counts toward your $1,500 deductible. Another visit costs $300, and you pay that too. Now you have paid $500 toward your deductible. Once you have paid $1,500 in covered costs for the year, you have met your deductible. Now your insurance starts to share, usually through coinsurance, where you pay a percentage and the plan pays the rest. So early in the year, before you have met your deductible, expect to pay more of your care costs yourself. Later in the year, after meeting it, your costs usually drop because your insurance is now sharing. Here's something good. Some plans cover certain services, like yearly checkups or screenings, before you meet your deductible. And your deductible is separate from your premium. That is the monthly bill you pay just to have the plan, whether you use it or not. Here's a useful tip. Keep track of what you have paid toward your deductible. You can usually check it right in your insurer's app or member portal. And not all plans have a deductible. Some plans pay from the very first dollar, but many plans do. Quick recap. Your deductible is what you pay each year before your insurance starts to share the cost. Once you meet it, your plan starts chipping in through coinsurance. And it is different from your premium, your copay, and your out-of-pocket maximum. I'm Maya. If this helped, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's make insurance simple.